Yeah?
Today we are talking Chivenda. Do you know how to speak Chivenda?
Orange.
Rihone.
Urini.
Rihone. Not
Say
Rihone.
Nanerione.
Rihone.
Say Nanerione.
Chivenda, it's so sexual, you know. You'll feel like somebody is talking other things and say, no. Urini. Rihone. Yeah.
So gorgeous.
It's so sexual. If you don't know our language,
Divine.
what we really say.
It is divine.
Yeah, so people think we are so
Relaxing.
sexual, and that is just, you know,
No.
It's
It's blossoming.
yeah, it's only just rhyme.
Aww.
Urini. Rihone.
How do I say?
Yeah.
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, Rihone.
Nanerione.
Rihone. Yes.
It's so soft.
So soft, and you know, you just rhyme.
Soft Samara Wangwana. Soft Samara Wangwana.
That's so soft. That's so pube.
Say soft Samara Wangwana.
Samarawana. Sounds like marijuana.
Samara Wangwana.
va khou ṱoḓa u alusa bindu ḽavho vha fanela u vha na landline. Advanced Life Tech yo swika ṱhoho ya nḓou mvusuludzo nga R100 nga ṅwedzi vha wana landline ho katelwa service fee na ndindakhombo.
duka langa rendiwe va vhudzeni ava vhathu zwo ri once off payment ndi 2500 u wane machonise woṱhe vone a tshi khou vhila 10000 nga nomboro ya 073
kha vha ri founele kha 076 705 9607
015 023 0182 kha Facebook ndi Advanced Landline.